Hello, savvy investors. Welcome back to Business and Investment Consultant. Today we've got a gem for you, the CPR trading strategy straight from the Secrets of Pivot Boss playbook. If you're looking to elevate your trading game, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the secrets, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to stay updated on all things business and investment. Now, let's jump in. All right, investors, let's talk CPR trading. This strategy is like having a market GPS, helping you spot potential turns and trends. It's all thanks to the Central Pivot Range, a nifty tool crafted by the trading maestro Frank Ochoa, aka Pivot Boss. Let's keep it straightforward. The Central Pivot Range has three amigos: the Upper Pivot Range, a caution zone; the Lower Pivot Range, a good-to-go zone; and the Central Pivot, your neutral ground. These buddies give you the lay of the land, showing where the market might bounce or break. Check out this chart. Upper Pivot Range is like a ceiling, Lower Pivot Range is a floor, and the Central Pivot is the peacekeeper in the middle. Now, how do we use CPR in real trading? Picture this. If the price gets close to Upper or Lower Pivot Range, it's like a traffic light. Red means watch out for a possible U-turn, and green means maybe it's a good time to go. See here? Price bounces up from the Lower Pivot Range, hinting it might be a good time to buy. Combine this with your other tools, like indicators or price movement, for a solid strategy. Before we wrap up, quick tips. Know the major traffic direction, the overall market trend. Use safety measures, risk management, and keep learning. The market's like a business. Understanding it better leads to smarter decisions. That's a wrap, investors. I hope this simple guide to CPR trading from Secrets of Pivot Boss adds a powerful tool to your investment arsenal. Drop your questions or share your trading stories in the comments below. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow investors. Until next time, happy trading. Thanks for tuning in to Business and Investment Consultant. Remember, knowledge is the best investment. See you in the next one.